How are you? I am also too. I share. I am in the Islam Senior Teacher English Kadagati Ar High School. Look at the blackboard. I shall discuss about pastimes. Open your textbook, page number 21. Hi, I am Siam. I am from Magural. Although it's the district's headquarters, it's a small town. I am in grade 9, now in Chandorhat Vidyalaya. I love games and sports very much. My father was an athletic in his student life. He inspires me to follow in his footsteps and take part in games and sports group or do some exercise besides my studies. So I get up early in the morning and take a walk with my father almost every day. He walked for about an hour. At school, during break, I play kabaddi, gollasur, badminton, table tennis, and carom. Sometimes I practice the high jump and the long jump outside the school campus. Playing football is a passion for me. I like watching television too. I watch sports programs on different TV channels during my free time. I am a fan of National Geographic, Discovery, and Animal Planet for their documentaries as they are quite interesting as well as educative. Recently, my father has presented me with a camera as he was very happy with the result of my junior school certificate exam. When I hold the camera, I felt so excited. I wish I could be an amateur photographer in future, not to take only personal photographs at different parties, but to shoot our beautiful Bangladesh. I am sure that soon photography will be my most favorite pastime. New words. Please write down. Open your khata. Athletic. New words. Athletic. Exercise. During. Washing. Interesting. Covered. Have you finished these words? Athletics, exercise, building, washing, interesting, covered. These words are important word for you. Discuss these questions. Question number 1. How does exercise? Work on our memory? memory. Question number 2. What other benefits can you think of from exercise? These questions are important for you. Discuss pair words. How to exercise what on our memory? What other benefits can you think of from exercise? And complete the sentence. Complete the sentence. One. Poem is a practice of. Is a practice to. Poem is very effective in managing. Poem is very effective in managing. Poem can control anyhow to what? Fill the gaps. He cannot cure. Hundred percent, but can 5. He can reduce to he can reduce for what for have you finished? One minute times. You have finished this completed sentence. I finish my blackboard. Next class, your homework. Paragraph past times. No more today. Next class, I shall discuss other things. Thank you.